like a helmet or a chest mount, and then you can connect it to your phone and you can just do a live stream.
Well, hello everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom, and we're out on a little ride on our pushies today. So here's my felt, I don't know what it is, 80 something, felt 80, sort of a hybrid something. Anyway, it's my little road bike, pathway bike. It's pretty cool. Anyway, thought I'd show you these grips. They had arrived from Aliexpress. I'll put the link down below. And they were pretty easy to fit. They're kind of like all spongy, nice and soft and spongy. Probably not suitable for this bike. Probably more for like a, you know, like a fixie or something. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. They are completely hollow, so you can see here it's hollow at the end. So yeah, they are hollow. So that's one thing. So a little bit, you know, cheap and whatever, but they feel good. They're good grip and not really twisting around too bad on the handlebar, so that's good. Cheap grips for a cheap bike. So yeah, there they are. So what else can I tell you about them? I mean, they're grips. I don't know what to say. What should I say about them?
That
They've stayed on.
that they don't break like mine.
Well, it's the first day they're on there, so let's just say we can't tell you if it's very durable
slip
yet.
Back and forth.
No, they don't slip back and forth.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, so there you go. They don't slip back and forth. They're kind of, they're good. They're good.
Because then that's not like.
All right, I'll give you an update later. All right, everyone, come back for an update and we'll tell you all about it, probably in about a year or something. Okay, bye.